Hi, I'm Matt Theodore, the Head of the Foundation Diploma course at the Online College of Art and Design. As the UK's most established online provider of art education, we understand the needs of students and the landscape of the modern education system better than most. The Foundation Diploma is a really exciting year, a year where you can discover your visual voice while developing a creative portfolio. We specialise in providing this high-quality educational experience with a maximum UCAS tariff of 112 points for a distinctive grade at the end of the year, something we're keen for you all to gain. The course is taught mostly by specialist practitioners and tutors who've worked across universities and on further education courses across the UK and around the world. Our course is virtual, meaning that you can start any time and study any time that suits you, not being fixed to standard class times which might not suit you, especially if you're abroad. Many of our students actually are studying from around the world. So come and join us in this fast-growing contemporary platform on your own terms, from your own home, from your current mode of study, combined with this, or even during your travels. So come and join us. The journey starts with a click.